In this video, you'll learn how to set and achieve your goals. You probably already know how to buy a planner or a notebook and write down what you want. But what next? How do you go from writing something down to actually achieving it? What's the formula? Keep watching to find out. Let's start by free writing. The prompt is what and why. Write about what you want to achieve, the vision that you have for your future self. Will you be working in an office every day, or backstage, or on the stage, or on a mission field? What will that look like? What will relationships look like in your life? How will you feel? Now that you've identified your what, explore your why. Do you want to achieve these things because you want to impress someone? Why do you want to obtain this vision? If you discover that your why is insincere, that you're doing it to impress someone else, you can explore a vision that's more in line with who you really are and who you really want to become. Your vision should be in alignment with your core values. Next, write your goals. There are at least 7 types of goals: spiritual, financial, fitness, career, educational, family, and social. You can create one or a few goals under each of these categories. How do you structure a goal? Use the SMART framework. A goal should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So if you want to save an additional $12,000 this year, this means that you would need to earn an additional $1,000 each month, or $250 each week. Figure out which daily habits you will need to adopt in order to make this possible. Will you need to get another job? Take your side hustle more seriously? Stop the shopping sprees? Create a daily schedule of attainable steps and stick to it. If you'd like more information about how you can achieve your goals, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.